Do you ever feel like you're doing everything right with your money? You budget, you track your spending, you say no to the expensive coffee, but you're still stuck, just surviving instead of thriving. You're playing a game you can't seem to win. But the problem isn't your spending. It's a money mindset that keeps 99% of people trapped in a cycle of scarcity. And today, we're going to break it. Most of us are taught to play financial defense. Our entire focus is on cutting back, saving pennies, clipping coupons. We spend hours trying to save $5 on a utility bill and feel guilty when we buy something nice for ourselves. But here's the flaw. Playing defense is a game of scarcity. There is a hard mathematical limit to how much you can save. You can only touch your expenses down to zero. That's it. This mindset trains your brain to see money as something to be protected, something that's always trying to escape. It's like playing a soccer game where you've put all 11 players in front of your own goal. You might not lose, but you can never, ever win. The truly wealthy play a different game. They play financial offense. Their focus isn't on saving, it's on earning. Their primary question isn't, how can I spend less? It's how can I earn more? Financial offense looks like investing in a new skill to double your hourly rate. It looks like starting that side business you've been thinking about. It looks like building assets that make money for you. Because here's the secret, while your ability to save is finite, your ability to earn is virtually infinite. This is a mindset of abundance. It trains your brain to hunt for opportunities, not just hide from threats. So how do you make this shift? Start with the 80-20 rule of offense. From now on, spend only 20% of your financial energy on defense, your budget, your savings. That's important, but it's just maintenance. Spend the other 80% of your energy on offense. And here's your first move. This week, schedule 1 hour in your calendar. This is your offense hour. During this time, you are forbidden from looking at your budget. Your only job is to learn a skill or work on a project that can increase your income. Playing defense keeps you from being broke. Playing offense is what builds wealth. Stop just trying not to be poor. Start building a system that allows you to win. So my question for you is, what's your first offensive move? In the comments, tell me one thing you'll work on in your offense hour this week. If this shifted your perspective, a like and subscribe would mean the world. Now go out there and forge your path.